Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create song in Suno AI. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply go to suno.com, and now from here just simply select create on the left side of the screen. And now from here guys, you will have two options to create one. So you will have simple and custom. So guys, from the custom, you should be able to add your own lyrics over here, and you can turn on instrumental as well. And from here, just simply provide the style that you would like to do. Let's say I'm gonna go for pop, and so let's say I'm gonna go for pop, and now I'm gonna go for male vocalists. And now you could enter a style to exclude as well. You could go for the song title over here. Let's say I'm gonna go for test, and pretty much just simply provide all of the necessary information and click on create. Just simply wait for it to load up. And from there, guys, you should be able to create a music. And guys, the more style that you prefer, the more creative the song will be. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.